Here's your Cessna 337, upside down. Has the, it's another hatch. It's got a million dang hatches. Oh boy. This is for you scale modelers to fill out. I'm not a scale modeler. Here's the engine. In there, like I said, it's a 90. OS 90 custom made mufflers. Plane's large, can't handle it very well. But the engine turns over freely. I think it has very little time on it. As you can see, it's a Cessna 337 Skymaster. Said the landing gear. I don't know, I don't want to break anything, but the landing gear, the doors. I mean, the level of detail is ridiculous. Okay. I mean, the level of details. Look at that wheel just come out. The wheel comes out. Okay. Like that. There's your nose wheel. It's electric. I'm going to throw it back up in there. And it turns. Wow, I never seen that. Turns and twists. Comes out and twists. Oh, it's one of those. But you scale guys know about that stuff. Goes down and folds up into there. I would have personally kept it straight. Then this comes down electronically and this comes down. Look at the little gears and stuff. That's crazy. Oh. Okay. I'm going to have to put some tape on that. Got little exhaust ports. Oh, that's why he had them custom made. That's the exhaust. He just happened to have it covered up now. The rest of this stuff, I don't know what it is. On off switch, fuel dot. Not fuel dot, but I don't know if that's from, that looks like a gas thing, you know, to pull up. That looks like a, I don't know what it is. So, if you're interested, the offer here is the wing. I mean, this is a huge plane. Here are the wings. Okay. Show you the wings. You put your own stuff up in there. That robot hinge points, quarter scale, I guess. Now look at this for the flaps. This is ridiculous. The flaps come out and down like real airplane. Like I said, totally scale. The flaps come out and down like real plane. Look at that. Unbelievable. Up and out. So I guess you gotta have some pretty high torque servos. Here's your flap detail. Four hinge points. Hinges. I got both wings. So here's the other wing. Remember, this is upside down now. So your Cessna 337. Okay.